Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your phone has an active tethering plan and cellular data. Once confirmed, restart the device to clear transient glitches. Open Settings, go to Hotspot, enable it, and verify SSID plus password are populated. Also, disable Bluetooth and any VPNs now. Those can interfere with device discovery. Do this immediately so the system broadcasts a clean, discoverable network. This primes the phone for the deeper fixes next. Now continue with the more complex middle steps to restore the hotspot interface. Reset network settings to remove corrupt profiles. This resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular configs without deleting files. Do this if simple toggles fail. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds to force a full radio restart. This refreshes the Wi-Fi scan and hotspot broadcast. Make sure to turn off Smart Network Switch or Carrier offload features temporarily, because they can suppress low. Finish by verifying the hotspot from a client and applying final fixes. Try connecting a different phone or laptop to confirm whether SSID appears. This isolates whether the issue is the host device or the client. If the SSID still does not show, update carrier settings and any vendor hotspot firmware or apps, then reboot. If nothing helps, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Back up your data first. Troubleshooting tip: if clients see SSID but cannot connect, check AP band 2, 4 degrees versus 5 degrees, and password consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.